I'm Grant.
And we're with the Winkle, and today we're making origami shirts. We are making these origami shirts to give to our dads for Father's Day. If you don't have a dad, you can always give it to somebody else or keep it for yourself. It's a really cool project. Grant, what's your favorite thing about your dad?
He takes me fishing and camping.
Oh, that's so fun. Just you and him, boy time?
Yes, no girls.
No girls. Should we see what's in our kit today?
Yeah.
Okay.
A piece of paper, a ruler, and a marker.
Okay, and that's all you need to make our origami shirt today. Are you ready to get started?
Let's do it.
Cool. Grant, do you know where origami originated from?
Who?
From where? Japan.
Oh.
Yeah, it's considered an art form in Japan, and there's actually special origami paper. Of course, you know that because you have origami paper and you do origami all the time. And it's actually a great way to also learn math because it's very geometrical. So we're going to show you how to make this origami shirt. And remember, as with any Winkle video, if you ever get confused, you can always rewind the video, or if you need to catch up to us, you can always click pause, and then when you catch up to where we are, you can press play. Let's get started.
Okay.
All right, your origami paper has already been folded in half, and what we're going to do is fold it in fourths. So that means each half needs to be folded in half, and that will give us a fourth. So you're going to fold the right side into that halfway point. You're going to press all the creases in origami. You're going to press really good with your finger. If you can't press it that well with your finger, then rub it with your marker. Now we're going to fold the left half in to that middle point, making another quarter. You want to line it up as well as you can and rub it with a marker or your finger. Good, now we're going to turn that over, and this is where a ruler comes in handy. So I want you to get your ruler and look where it says 1 inch, and I want you to mark 1 inch, and while we're at it, mark a 3 inch because we're going to need that later. Okay, so with that 1 inch mark, you're going to fold this paper back. Now remember, the crease is right here. Our fourths that are folded are on the bottom, and our crease is on the top. We're going to measure 1 inch, fold it back towards you 1 inch. So see how we folded it back? You can pull the paper back, you don't need to crease it, and once it gets to that 1 inch mark, then you're going to put the crease there. And you can use your marker to press the crease down even more. Now we have the flap side showing of our paper, and we're going to fold that back like an accordion or a fan. See that right there? So it's 1 inch, but you just need to make sure to line that top of the paper up with where your next fold is, and then rub it with your marker. Good, now we're going to unfold that, not all the way, just halfway, okay? So we still have that flap back there, and we have a crease right here. Now this crease is going to show us where to fold back this corner. You're going to fold the corner back right to where that crease meets up with the paper line. And again, you can rub it with your marker if the paper's getting really hard to use. And the left side, we're going to fold that corner into that crease. Okay, and then the left side, so see how they're touching that crease right there in the middle? I'm rubbing it with my marker. Okay, so both of our flaps are touching each other, and that is going to be the collar of the shirt. Nice! Good job.
That looks good.
Yeah, it looks pretty awesome. Like your dad actually ironed his shirt. Okay, now we're going to take our ruler again and measure 3 inches. So you're going to put the 3 on the bottom of your paper. Get your marker and measure right here at the very top of your ruler. And we're measuring on the flap part where the flap meets up, and I'm measuring on both sides. So where that flap is, that's where you want this crease to be, right there. And you want it to go all the way down to the corner of this right side. So you have a crease running from the dot all the way down to the corner. So this paper actually overlaps right here.
Are these gonna be our sleeves?
Yeah, these are gonna be the sleeves of the shirt. It's so cool how origami is like that, right? It's like you never know what you're making until you're at the very end, and then it's like it all comes together. Now we're going to tuck our shirt up into our collar. That sounds really weird, but that's what we're doing. And right here, you wanna make sure that the middle flap right here is lined up with your middle line so that your shirt is nice and symmetrical. What does symmetrical mean?
Even.
Yeah, kind of is like even, like it means it's the same on both sides. But we want the shirt to be the same on both sides. I'm gonna fold in my crease. I'm gonna rub my crease at the bottom.
Like we're ironing our shirt.
Like we're ironing the shirt, that's right.
I want to add a tie and a pocket.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna
It's
add.
gonna be right here because I accidentally messed up a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna add a tie. Now a tie is made with a triangle. Right here is the triangle part, and right here just follow the line of the collar. Now coming out of that triangle, and it's gonna come down to 2 inches right there. See the 2-inch mark? Again, you want it as symmetrical as you can, so make sure to line up that angle just right. 2 inches right there. And then you're going to draw the line to the crease. Draw the line to the crease. Finished!
Done.
It looks good!
It actually looks like a shirt.
Thanks for joining us today, everybody, making origami shirts. I hope you had a great time. And don't forget, after you do your project, you can take a picture or a video and have a grown-up post it on social media. Don't forget to tag us at the Winkle Crate so we can see what you made. Bye, everybody!
Bye.
Have fun!
Have fun.
Origami, I'm not... Whoop. Funny. Okay. A piece of paper.
A piece of paper. I'm sorry. Last but not least.